Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda channel. Yes, it's a channel. It's not a channel. It's not a channel. It's a channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be relaxing my own hair. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a long time, so I thought I would do the process with you guys. I mixed my Dark and Lovely. If you know me, you know I'm a Dark and Lovely girly, and I always use the Dark and Lovely. I've got the whole thing here, so I'm using the box relaxer. It comes with everything.
AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe, and you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean.
Disclaimer, this is not a video showing how to relax your hair at home. This is a video showing how I relax my hair at home. Okay, just that disclaimer.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a...
If there is nothing, and I mean nothing, you take from this video, take this parting section thing for self-relaxing that I learned from Hairlicious. It is a gift sent from God, because look how easily I'm parting through my hair and relaxing the parts that need to be relaxed. No stress, no nothing, and it's just a gem, and I've been using it ever since.
'Cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on the spin. If you ride for me, then ride.
So I am just a girl and got really distracted and didn't end up showing you guys how I smoothed out the relaxer with the back of the comb, and then went on to shampooing my hair with the Neutralizing shampoo. But that's exactly what I did. And then I went on to applying a deep conditioner onto my hair, and I think I let that sit for about an hour. But the whole relaxer, so applying relaxer onto my hair and smoothing it out, took me about 20 minutes start to finish.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.
So long story short, I was unable to show you guys me basically getting to the end of my relaxer. But my relaxer lasted about, I think it was 15-20 minutes. It lasted about 20 minutes. The relaxer was in my hair for about 20 minutes start to finish. I did smooth out the relaxer. I thought I recorded it, but apparently I forgot to press record. And then I removed the twists and went and washed out the relaxer with the neutralizing shampoo. I washed it out about 3 times before I did the 5-10 minutes thing. If you don't know what the 5-10 minutes thing, can someone please explain to the person in the comments below? I'm joking. So that's when I shampoo my hair with the neutralizing shampoo, leave it in for 5 minutes, wash it out, do it again, leave it in for 5 minutes, wash it out, do it again, and this time leave it in for 10 minutes and then wash it out. This way it allows the neutralizing shampoo to get into your scalp and actually work, and stop the process, the relaxer process. Again, I learned this from Hairlicious and it works really, really well. And then I shampooed out my hair, and at this stage I was applying the conditioner that comes with the kit onto my hair. And then I let that sit for about, an hour this time. I wasn't in a rush. Usually they do say about, between 3-5 minutes and you're fine. I wasn't in a rush, so I just put on my hair and left it as is for about an hour. And then I washed it off. And that was the entirety of my relaxer day.
You can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.